Hello everyone, welcome to Craft Our Paper Stash Cards, where I post on the 15th of each month, and the idea is just to use paper stash that we have. So this month I'm using up some Stampin' Up paper. It's current in the annual catalog, but I only have, one full sheet left. Well, I had 3 full sheets and I cut into 2 of them, so I'm trying to use this up before the annual catalog runs out. And this is from the Ornate Garden. It's Ornate Garden Specialty DSP, and I had seen Jen Evers last week, I guess it was Friday, I think, make a card that I thought was kind of unique, and it's meant for being on display, and it's pretty easy. So let me show what I did. I did 5 cards, but only 3 designs. This one is the first design. I only made one of this one, and so this is part of the specialty paper. It's white with gold foiling, and this is old olive with foiling, gold foiling. So I used the whole suite. So I also used the gilded gems, which I think came with that set. I've been wanting to use this thank you, so I used that on all the cards, and I didn't use any of the other words in there. And then I used these 3 dies from the Ornate Borders dies, the little flowers there, to and just cut them out of gold foil, twice for each one. So it's on white, it's on Whisper White cardstock, which is going away and will be replaced with Basic White by Stampin' Up. I put the olive green paper with foil down on this strip as well, but this is meant to stand like this. So on this particular one, I just put my stamp on one side, and the message can be written on the other side, and that can be put on display. So that is the first one. And then the second and third one are these. These are done in terracotta tile and Whisper White and mint macaron. And then I also brought in these little embellishments, the butterfly gems, and I used terracotta tile and the basic pearls. So this is stamped in mint macaron. These I cut out in terracotta tile and rococo rose to match the flowers in the paper, and then I just put the 3, layered them, Now on this one I didn't do it that way, so they're a little bit different. This I did first, and I just put the 3 rococo rose flowers down with the little pearls in the center, and then the butterflies. But I wanted to give it a little more dimension and color, so on this one I layered 2 flowers and put 3 butterflies up there and 2 down here. So just a little different, and they stand up as well. Now on this one I put, on both of these, I put the flower on the back. My suggestion, if you have a stampy thing that you push, or any kind of stamp, do it before you put this piece on. Because it doesn't always get right. So I put an extra piece of white on the back and stamped a flower that was in the Ornate style. Actually, I used this and this from the Ornate style. This is the scrolly thing. Yeah. And then that's the little flower, and I colored that in with rococo rose light and dark and mint macaron light and dark. Very basic coloring. So that's those 2, and then the last 2 I used the daisy kind of paper, and it's again, this is a thick Whisper White, but or Basic White, whichever you have. I don't think you have Basic yet. I did use the and Bumblebee for here and here. I did use the Tasteful Textile 3D embossing folder again for the white in the background on these 2 little squares. I don't know if you can, there you can tell it. And then I used the medium daisy punch, daisy medium, punched it out of white and of Bumblebee, and layer them bumblebee first, then white. And then this is not a Stampin' Up thing. I have this little scalloped 1/2 inch punch by EK Success in my stash because I needed something in here and I wasn't feeling some other things I had. So I just punched out soft suede and put them in the center because some of these flowers have like soft suede in the center too. And then I used one of the gilded gems, the larger one, so I used 3 of those, and stamped this in soft suede, and then just used the Bumblebee 2020 to 2022 in color, where does it tell you, the quarter inch wide ribbon from the annual catalog also. And then that just stands like that. And I don't think I did anything on the back of this one, no, just put my stamp on it. So those 2 are done exactly the same way. So, and then for envelope, they are the size of an A2, so they might have a little bulk with these gems on them, but otherwise, and the bow, but otherwise they lay flat when you mail them, and then when you get them, you can just stand them up like that and put them on display somewhere. So those are my 5 cards for Craft Our Paper Stash on the 15th. I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know which one is your favorite, if any. And I can't decide, so I like them all. All right, please go check out Paige, and I will talk to you again later. Let's see, this will post the 15th, and the 15th is a Tuesday, so I'll have a live at 7 p.m. Don't miss out. Thanks. Bye.